Hey gang, finally completed this job out at Nichols' house on Johns Hopkins University. It's the president's house. I'll turn you around and show you this amazing pergola we built using Ipe purlins, round columns. We got a retractable awning up there full with electric lighting and a ceiling fan. We're super excited to be here and get it all done. So here, we'll walk on up to it. I'll give you a little tour. First, we started out getting this patio done. Just basic brick pattern with inlaid marble. And then give you a look at the underneath, where you got the fan, the lights, the canopy that comes in and out on these tracks right here. Oh man, they are gonna love it. They're really gonna enjoy this. Came out beautifully. So hey, you know, you got a pergola, existing pergola, and you need a shade solution, we got you covered. Or you just want to do a pergola from scratch and get your own pergola with an automated motorized canopy top. We'll be happy to help. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and follow, and we'll catch you on the next one.